How to lock WhatsApp without using a fingerprint. To get started, first of all, open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be brought to the chats page. Here, you can view all your chats with friends on WhatsApp. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Settings. This is the WhatsApp settings page. Here, go over to Privacy. In the Privacy page, scroll down and go to App Lock. The App Lock requires Face ID to unlock WhatsApp. Now, Enable require Face ID. You can also choose the timing over here. When enabled, you will need to use Face ID to unlock WhatsApp. You can still reply to messages from notifications and answer calls if WhatsApp is locked. Now go back to your main menu and try opening WhatsApp again. Check to see if it requires a Face ID to unlock. You have now successfully locked WhatsApp. Following these steps, you can easily lock WhatsApp without using a fingerprint.